Have you ever wondered about the intersection of cutting-edge technology like drones and 3D printing? What could the future look like? In an era where technology is rapidly evolving, the possibilities seem endless. One field that's particularly exciting is unmanned aerial vehicles or UAVs. Combine that with the potential of 3D printing and you've got a real game changer. Today we're going to introduce a unique project by Tanton Corp. Today we delve into Tanton Corp's daring endeavor to 3D print a 1.2-meter scale version of the XQ-58 Valkyrie. Tanton Corp, a pioneer in technological innovation, has embarked on an ambitious journey. Their mission? To 3D print a 1.2-meter scale version of the XQ-58, a project that is as daring as it is groundbreaking. Why the XQ-58, you might ask? Well, the Kratos XQ-58 Valkyrie is a marvel of modern unmanned aerial vehicle technology. Its sleek design and advanced capabilities make it a prime candidate for this project. But why 3D print it? The answer lies in the unique benefits offered by 3D printing technology. By harnessing the power of additive manufacturing, Tanton Corp intends to revolutionize the way we build UAV platforms. The process allows for intricate detailing, customization, and rapid prototyping, all while reducing waste and costs. The undertaking is by no means a small feat. Tanton Corp will be utilizing off-the-shelf hobbyist 3D printers, a choice that brings with it its own set of challenges. However, the team is confident in their ability to innovate and overcome any hurdles that may arise. To achieve this, Tanton Corp is leveraging cutting-edge technology and resources. They are combining the prowess of computer-aided design with the precision of 3D printing to bring their vision to life. The journey is filled with challenges, but the potential rewards make it a venture worth pursuing. This project represents not just a technological leap, but also a testament to human ingenuity and the relentless pursuit of progress. Every path-breaking initiative comes with its set of challenges and rewards. In the case of 3D printing a 1.2-meter scale version of the XQ-58 Valkyrie, Tanton Corp will likely face a host of technical complexities. This process isn't as simple as hitting print on a desktop machine. The intricacies involved in effectively replicating the aerodynamics, structure, and functionality of such an advanced UAV platform can be daunting. And that's not all. The cost of materials, equipment, and software can quickly escalate, making this a potentially expensive endeavor. Additionally, the time required to design, test, and perfect the 3D model is substantial, and any delays could push back the project timeline. But let's not forget the other side of the coin, the potential benefits. One of the foremost advantages of 3D printing is cost-effectiveness. Once the initial investment in equipment and materials is made, the production cost per unit significantly drops. This is a game-changer for manufacturing scale models like the XQ-58 Valkyrie. Moreover, 3D printing allows for customization at an unprecedented level. Changes can be made to the design digitally and implemented almost instantly. This flexibility is a boon when developing something as complex as a UAV platform. And finally, let's talk about rapid production. With 3D printing, the time from concept to creation can be drastically reduced. This speed is invaluable in an industry where time is often of the essence. Despite the challenges, the benefits of 3D printing UAV platforms are too significant to ignore. So, what does this mean for the future of UAV technology and 3D printing? In essence, the future is bright and bursting with unprecedented possibilities. We've discussed Tanton Corp's ambitious plan to 3D print a 1.2-meter scale version of the Kratos XQ-58 Valkyrie. This endeavor, while challenging, has the potential to significantly impact the industry. Imagine UAV platforms being constructed at a fraction of the current cost and time. It's a game changer, opening doors to rapid prototyping and testing, and potentially democratizing access to advanced drone technology. This could lead to a surge in innovation, as more players, even hobbyists, will have the means to experiment and contribute to the field. Furthermore, the implications of this project extend beyond UAV technology. It showcases the power of 3D printing, a technology that's still in its infancy. By pushing the boundaries of what's possible, Tanton Corp is not just charting a new course for UAV development, but also for the broader tech industry. We're looking at a future where complex machines can be printed rather than assembled, where ideas can be brought to life faster and more efficiently. It's a future that promises to revolutionize not just how we build, but also what we can build. As we stand on the brink of this technological revolution, one thing is certain: The future is not just being written, it's being printed.